Welcome back to fixbuildrace. In this episode we're tuning the Cressida and taking it for a rip.
Let's get into it.
We headed over to Tune Technic to chuck the Cressida on the dyno so that we could give it a tune and see how much power this thing makes. I don't know how much power he's expecting to make, but Sam chose to run a super heavy duty 6-puck clutch, and as you can see here, it's been a bit of a mungle to drive. It was at this point we realised that no matter what we tried, the exhaust on the Cressida just hung a bit too low for us to be able to drop it into the rollers, so we decided to resort to giving it a quick road tune to get it going.
Alright, so as you just saw, we took this out to Tune Technic and tried to get it on the dyno. Unfortunately, with Sam's small boy wheels and slamtasticness and an exhaust that hangs a little bit too low, it didn't make it on our dyno. Just kind of the way our dyno's set up, we can usually get some pretty low cars.
I don't think we'd have made it on any dyno unless it was a hub dyno.
Yeah, really needed a hub dyno. But that's alright. We road tuned it anyway.
Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing. We couldn't get on the dyno, so we don't really know what power figures we're making, but it sits you back in your seat, that's for sure.
Yeah, that dyno says about 130, 150.
Yeah,
I'd say. Like,
I reckon over the 200 horse mark.
Yeah, my Skyline was 130, and the torque in this definitely feels like it would smoke my Skyline. The video didn't go as I hoped it would today, but you get that, such as life. Probably still put this out there because we've been ripping on it, and we're going to show you that in a second. In a controlled environment on a
private road,
Mexico.
Bo's private road
in Mexico. And yeah, we'll show it off a bit because it looks pretty good now. It's running and driving.
Alright, so you might have seen in the last video the intake was sticking out over here. It is now not. It's probably still not where it needs to be, but you know, it'll do for now. Fan shroud, I made that at work,
And then I mounted some fans to it and wired them up, and they work now.
And as per brand, got the V-can overflow.
Yeah, there was many of those drank while building this car, so
we thought it was very fitting.
Yeah.
We will change that, but I'm going to try and make it look like a V-can still, because
Shout out to V.
yeah,
We're still waiting on that sponsorship, by the way.
So they're just factory Sora hoses. Had to cut them a little bit. But yeah, enough of us talking.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy the beautiful shots that Jack took.
Yeah, and Aaron's reaction video.
Yeah, enjoy that.
Real quick, Jordan.
This is way cooler. It's the current, it's back. Alright, let's go look at a Cressida. What do you reckon? That's what you reckon?
So heavy.
Yeah.
Leave that out, but
Nah, I'll leave it in.
Mine used to sound going, but
Alright, well, we've just got in old mate's car here. Yeah, so it's just had a tune, for the courtesy of Jack. So yeah, first go, it's all, yeah, pretty much off reg legal as. So yeah, here's the reaction to the first old rip. Alright, got absolutely no idea what to expect. I'm set, you know, your clutch is insane.
yeah, bro, it's way overpowered for.
Do you reckon you'll change it?
No. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, mate.
Clamp your butt cheeks.
Hell. Me, it gets down. Sorry, Jack, you're gonna have to do a lot of bleeping. Holy. This thing moves. You stoked?
Oh, bro, I'm so happy.
Yeah?
It's been a long time coming.
Yeah. Yeah, so the summary is that this thing absolutely moves.
Gets me every time.
Yeah, so still a few things to tidy up, but she's good for chrome, man.
Alright, passenger in my own car, but I think Jack's earned it.
I've already driven it when I was road tuning it,
But you didn't really get on it as much.
oh,
And now the start won't work. Try it. Nah.
so we're gonna have to pop start it. Whoops. You're a bit used to the clutch now, eh?
Oh, not really.
Not really, you haven't.
Down into second, bro, it locks up.
You reckon now?
Yeah, just go. Go right down there.
The steering just wants to take off that.
It's a bit of a beast to drive,
Yeah,
but
she's a handful.
oh man.
I just want to floor her. Nah, that steering just...
How do you like it?
The torque is just instant, bro. Those guys are checking it out. Such a good summer cruiser, bro.
I don't know about cruising, but
Yeah, why not?
think we might as well say goodbye to our driver's licenses now.
Yours, I'm not driving this too much. Too much trouble. Oh, this thing's good, man. We did good. Just need to fix the exhaust. Watch me stall it. Oh, not if I do that. So Lou, we better make it official. The car's running and driving now, and it's absolutely slick. So we're gonna make it official with some fixbuildrace stickers. Bring some attention to the channel when every single person we see out in public is looking at this car. As we already found out on the way to the dyno on the way back. What do you reckon? Oh. We were just getting so many looks on the way there, so got to put the branding on it. We need a built by fixbuildrace sticker, eh?
Yeah.
That'll be cool. Everyone else can run these and we have built by one for fixbuildrace on our cars. You bolt.
Right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next time you see this car, we'll be at Chrome.
And if you're going to Chrome, please come up and say hi and come check out the build. I would love to talk to anyone that's watched the videos and supported us, because we really appreciate it. All 5 of you, you're legends. But yeah, Sam's gonna go and enjoy this thing now after we sort out a few little issues. So it'll be a race against time to get that done before Chrome. But yeah, definitely stay hyped for the next video, because it's going to be this thing getting used for what it was built for. Hopefully everything goes well, nothing breaks, and it's just an awesome weekend. So Sam's going to Chrome on Friday with it.
Yep.
And then I'm going to join on Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, hopefully this thing just runs like a dream the whole time. Built by fixbuildrace, so surely will.
Might put the bonnet on too. Haven't decided yet.
Oh, you can bring it and put it on and off as you please.
Yeah.
But yeah, as Sam said, thanks for watching. We appreciate your guys' views and likes and comments and all that sort of stuff. And see you in Chrome.
I don't really put much soul in it. It's like I don't think that I'm with it. I'm on the pro team. You'll be calling that Olympic. They see me rolling. No millionaire, I'm sunning. Peter,